Introducing the Millicell DCI XY Stage Slide Holder Accessory. Let's dive right in and see what's inside. The packaging is sleek and professional, ensuring that the XY stage arrives safely. There are 2 thumb screws for attaching the XY stage accessory. The front and rear bracket pieces are specifically made to hold onto the DCI light arm. The stage mounting block connects the bracket and the XY stage. The XY stage slide holder assembly is equipped with 2 adjustable axes. This section will explain how to attach the XY stage slide holder to the DCI. Begin by unscrewing the thumb screws from the bracket pieces. Place the front bracket onto the flat top of the DCI. For the correct orientation, keep the slide holder adapter connected to the front bracket. Attach the rear bracket to the front bracket with the thumb screws. The bracket is shaped to only connect in one orientation. The slide holder may require adjusting to be flush to the DCI platform. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to change the height of the slide holder. Loosen the screws without fully removing them. This will lower the holder into better position for the slides. Tighten the screws into place. If it helps, use a slide for reference height. The XY stage slide adapter is compatible with most brands of glass and disposable hemocytometers. The thumb screws on the XY stage each control a uniaxial direction. Use the millimeter markings on the stage for reference to return to the same positions on slides. Combine the XY stage slide holder assembly with the hemocytometer software feature for easier cell counts on DCI. For more information on the hemocytometer software on device, please refer to Chapter 4 of this video series. The stage adapter was designed to quick connect and quick disconnect from the bracket holder. This allows the bracket to stay fixed on the light arm while removing the XY stage slide holder. Simply slide the XY stage adapter along the track until it releases from the bracket. Your DCI is now ready to use with other cultureware like flasks and plates. Please store your XY stage slide holder in the provided hard plastic case when not in use for extended periods to ensure it is properly protected. Once the stage adapter has been initially set up, the stage can be easily reattached for use. Quick connection is enabled by a spring-loaded pin that will click when the XY stage adapter slides into place. This bracket system is the base for connecting future DCI accessories. Once properly connected, you are ready to begin using hemocytometers and slides on your Millicell digital cell imager. For more information, please contact your account manager or visit our website.